This is a microprocessor-based pH meter from EI. EI make microprocessor-based pH meter model 1010 is a solid-state instrument designed to provide the precise pH, MV and temperature measurements. The instrument is extremely useful for pharmaceuticals, agriculture and soil analysis laboratories. The calibration is retained in memory even after the instrument is switched off. Some of the unique features of this instrument are 7-segment bright red LED display, simultaneous display of pH and temperature and soft touch keyboard keys. The instrument is supplied with a combination pH electrode, buffer box containing 2 buffer tablets of 4 pH and 7 pH respectively, an electrode stand, a 12-volt adapter, an instruction manual and a dust cover. Prior to plug-in, ensure that power supply of 230-volt AC should be available. Ensure proper grounding for smooth operation of instrument and safety of operator. Now set up the instrument on a flat surface. Switch it on. Here we have a 3-digit 7-segment red LED for showing temperature and 4-digit 7-segment red LED for showing pH or MV, with 3 LED indicators. pH LED which indicates that the instrument is in pH mode, MV actual LED which indicates that the instrument is in MV actual read mode, and MV relative LED which indicates that the instrument is in MV relative read mode. Mode key is used to select pH, MV actual or MV relative mode. 7 pH key is used to calibrate the instrument with 7 pH buffer. 4/9.2 pH key is used to calibrate the instrument with 4/9.2 pH buffer. Set degree C key is used to set the temperature value. Enter key is used to accept the current digit while entering the temperature value in manual temperature compensation mode. Up key is used to set the desired temperature. Switch on the instrument. The temperature display shows 25 degrees Celsius and the pH or MV display shows 1. Now, attach the temperature probe to the temperature input socket at the rear of the instrument for ATC operation and the pH electrode to the BNC socket. Ensure that the cut on the temperature probe plug matches with the cut in the temperature input socket. Press mode key successively to select the desired mode of operation, that is pH, MV actual or MV relative. Press mode key successively to select the pH mode. This instrument uses auto buffer recognition technique for calibration. The instrument can be calibrated using 2 buffer solutions, that is 7 pH buffer and any of the 2 4/9.2 pH buffer solution. It also supports 3-point calibration so that it can be calibrated with all the 3, that is 7, 4 and 9.2 pH buffers. For calibration, wash the pH electrode with distilled water. Put the electrode in first buffer solution, say 7 pH buffer, together with temperature probe. The display shows temperature along with pH. Press 7 pH key. The display starts blinking. The blinking indicates that the system is in calibration mode. Let the pH reading stabilize. Press 7 pH key again to complete 7 pH calibration. Remove electrode from 7 pH buffer, wash with distilled water and put it in 4/9.2 pH buffer. Now press 4/9.2 pH key. The display again starts blinking. Let the reading stabilize. Press 4/9.2 pH key again. The instrument is now calibrated for 4 pH. If 3-point calibration is desired, take out electrode, wash with distilled water and put it in 9.2 pH buffer. Now press 4/9.2 pH key. The display again starts blinking, let the reading stabilize. Again press 4/9.2 pH key to complete the calibration process. The instrument is now ready to take any pH measurements. MV actual are the actual MVs as read by the pH electrode without any offset compensation. Press mode key successively so that the MV actual LED lights up. The display shows the actual MVs as read by the electrode without any offset compensation. To change the mode, press the mode key again. MV relative are the MVs relative to the 7 pH buffer solution, that is, these are the MVs read by the instrument after the compensation for the offset. Press mode key successively so that the MV relative LED lights up. The display shows the MVs relative to 7 pH buffer. Check the temperature using calibrated thermometer of the solution under test. Dip the temperature probe in any solution under test. Press the set degree Celsius key. On pressing set degree Celsius key, the first digit of the degree Celsius display starts blinking. If we want to change the first digit value, then use up key to change the first digit value and press enter key. Similarly, set the second and the third digits respectively. On pressing enter key on the third digit, the display starts blinking. Enter to accept the value. Dip the temperature probe in any solution under test. The display shows the temperature of the solution in which the probe is dipped on the degree Celsius display. The temperature is shown irrespective of the mode selected. Thanks for watching the video.